Cabbage, scientifically known as Brassica oleracea, is a leafy green, purple, or white biennial vegetable that is widely cultivated for its dense, leafy heads. Originating from Europe, it has been a staple in diets worldwide for centuries, prized not only for its nutritional value but also for its versatility in culinary applications. The vegetable is a member of the cruciferous family, which also includes broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. Cabbage's history dates back to ancient civilizations, with evidence of its cultivation by the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. In medieval Europe, cabbage became a prominent food due to its ability to grow in a variety of climates, offering a source of nourishment throughout the year. Today, cabbage is grown globally, with numerous varieties cultivated to suit different climates and soils. Cabbage plants grow in a rosette of leaves, with the central leaves gradually folding inward to form a compact, dense head. The leaves themselves are thick and waxy, providing protection for the plant while also giving it a characteristic texture. The color of cabbage can range from the classic green to red or purple, with red cabbage often having a milder flavor than its green counterpart. The vegetable can grow in both temperate and tropical climates, though it thrives in cooler environments. Its growth cycle can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Cabbage is also known for its hardiness, often withstanding early frosts that can enhance its flavor and texture, making it a reliable crop for farmers in diverse regions. Nutritionally, cabbage is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an important part of a healthy diet. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports immune function and skin health. The vegetable is also rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health and can aid in weight management by providing a sense of fullness. Additionally, cabbage contains significant amounts of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and blood clotting. Its antioxidant properties, largely due to the presence of compounds like flavonoids and anthocyanins, help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Cabbage is also low in calories, making it a popular choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. These health benefits, combined with its versatility in cooking, make cabbage an attractive vegetable for inclusion in a wide range of diets. In the kitchen, cabbage can be prepared in countless ways, allowing it to complement various culinary traditions. It can be eaten raw, as in coleslaw or salads, where its crisp texture and slightly peppery flavor add freshness to the dish. When cooked, cabbage softens and its flavor becomes sweeter and milder. It can be sautéed, stir-fried, braised, or steamed, making it suitable for soups, stews, and stir-fry dishes. Sauerkraut, a fermented version of cabbage, is a popular condiment in European cuisines and offers both a tangy flavor and additional probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. Cabbage leaves are also used as wraps in many cuisines, such as in the famous dish of stuffed cabbage rolls, where the leaves are filled with meats, rice, and spices. Cabbage is particularly popular in Eastern European, Asian, and Mediterranean cooking, where it is often featured in hearty stews, dumplings, and stir-fries. Cabbage cultivation and harvesting require attention to soil health, irrigation, and pest control. The plant grows best in rich, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Regular watering is important to keep the soil moist, though overwatering can lead to root rot. Pests such as aphids, cabbage worms, and slugs are common threats to cabbage crops, so organic or chemical pest control methods are often employed to protect the plants. Cabbage is also susceptible to diseases like downy mildew and clubroot, which can be prevented through crop rotation and selecting resistant varieties. Harvesting cabbage involves cutting the head from the plant once it has reached full size and the leaves have formed a tight, compact ball. Cabbage can be stored in a cool, dry place, and it generally has a long shelf life when kept under proper conditions, allowing it to be consumed over an extended period. Beyond its culinary and nutritional uses, cabbage also has a place in various cultural and historical contexts. In many cultures, cabbage has been a symbol of sustenance and resilience, especially during times of famine or hardship. Its ability to grow in diverse conditions made it a reliable food source during difficult periods, such as during World War II, when cabbage was often used in wartime rationing. In folklore and traditional medicine, cabbage has been used as a remedy for a variety of ailments. Cabbage leaves have been applied topically to reduce swelling, treat bruises, and alleviate pain. Additionally, cabbage is often associated with the concept of longevity in some cultures, thanks to its health-promoting properties. Today, cabbage continues to be a cherished vegetable, both for its practicality as a food source and its continued relevance in culinary traditions around the world.